Former professional snooker genius Lin Yi-yang met the popular nine-ball player Yan Gyo on a rare snowstorm night. With the help of Yan Gyo's cousin, they got to know each other. Lin Yi-yang was once a famous snooker genius. In a match, he unintentionally offended the judge due to the objection of penalty. He was unsatisfied with the judgment and announced his retirement directly. As a result, he quit the professional snooker. Yango's appearance changed his life. He fell in love with Yango.
Because
Let's start watching this drama amidst a snowstorm of love. And what are your thoughts about this drama? Write me in the comments and stay tuned for more updates.